Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In this video I am doing a how-to video of Wish because I have around so I'm just gonna move it like this, the camera. So now you are going to see everything right over here in this blank. So yes, I am going to quickly go and I am actually going to show you the comments that I have. And editor, please cover all the personal things because I don't want to reveal those. So let's go and let's see the comments that are there. Okay guys, so I am on my channel and I am quickly going to go on playlist. So you can also do the following steps if you want to see the video. If you have not seen the video, there would be link in the description, go check it out. So it is really easy, and let me just quickly show you the comments. And okay, so at this time I'm just gonna block.
Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to
My sweet voice.
In this video I am going to talk.
So okay guys, so as you can see right over here it says minimum price for ordering, and please make another video to how to make an order. Order means the payment and everything, I understand that. And other asked, is it safe to order some stuff from Wish app? So I'm going to give the answer of all these questions. So the first step, it is really easy, and if I Google it, it literally says it is as legit as any other site that is on online platform. So it is really easy, you don't have to go anywhere. In this video, if you press the, so if you go here to, so I have written link for downloading Wish app. Just click that link, and so guys, when you click this, you will go to Play Store. I have actually downloaded the Wish app already, so I am actually going directly on the Wish app right now. And then you have to log in, and then the next step is going to be, so guys, I am on Wish app as you can see. So I'm going to give you an example. As I want to buy this Cyan, it is for 1234 rupees. And yes, if you are not watching it from India, it is going to be in dollars, that is going to be different. So if you click on buy, you'll have to go with the color and everything you want. And to be sure, I actually ordered 2 products from Wish, and I don't know why, by mistake I actually cancelled the second order, the second product, so only the watch came in. But I had to make a video, I couldn't wait 2 months more for the other thing to show up. So I made a video, that's why there is only a single watch on that video. So guys, as you can see, I have this, and now there would be a promo code in my video. Okay, so for you guys, I'm going to link that in this video also. Just write that link on a paper because I tried my best to make it copy pastable, but it didn't work. So use that code. I need the code right now, so let me just get the code and then I will continue. Okay guys, so I have my code now in my phone, and the thing is, if you use, there would be different things that would pop up for discount. So put that on, then go to promo code and use my promo code that would be in the description, and just write it. I'm just gonna write it and give an example. Okay guys, so I forgot that if I use my own promo code, then it won't work. So you can just do that, and you'll get an instant discount of 360 rupees. It is 369. I don't know why it's 69, it's not 70, it's not 65. So you can go there, and if you want more deals, you can go to deals, and that's gonna work. Now the thing that comes up mostly when people are checking out of their cart is if it opens. Let me just wait. So guys, now you can see that it says credit card. Now the thing is, everyone doesn't wanna pay with credit card. It is mostly with debit card. So there is an option to go with debit card. It is really easy. The steps are, just press on yes. So the step is really easy. You have to go here and just go down, and it would have settings. Go on settings and then go to manage payments, and you can, at the top you would actually see that credit or debit card. Press on add new payment. Voila, it is credit or debit card number. So that was it for if you want to add card or something like that. Now if I talk about should I order from Wish or not, it is okay that if you want to get from Wish you can. It is not a harm, but I would give a small tip that I have learned from someone else. Now I am going to tell you. And before going further, if you can see this, only these percent of people have actually subscribed. So if you just subscribe, it is going to be amazing. And hopefully in this year, in this 2021, if we can hit 100 subscriber, that is going to be a goal. So press that subscribe button. If you all would press that subscribe button that you are watching, I am sure that the 100 would be really close. So if you go on deals, I'm going to show you something that's gonna help you a lot. As you can see, there is a blue tick over here on deals. Mostly the deals have. So this actually means that 110% these items would show up. I'm not saying that the other items won't, but I can actually promise you that these items would definitely show up. It is 100% registered. I don't know how many people, I have no idea about it, but as you can see, these actually have tick in it, so you can find things. And I would recommend if you guys would choose the things that actually have this blue tick on it, that would be really good. And not also, don't buy things that are too expensive. I would always recommend, if you are even buying it from Amazon, that the things which are above 5,000, I would recommend that you go out and buy it from shop, not from online. And if you can't go and buy it from shop, it is not available, then it is a different thing if you buy it online. But definitely go for it. It is not a harm to buy this thing from here. And let me just tell you, this video is not sponsored by Wish. So any executive right there of Wish or any other online company is watching, then just comment down below. I would wait for your comment for the sponsorship. Like, who doesn't want any sponsorship? So that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. And if you're thinking what is this, the video is going to come soon. I have made a video. I'm actually working on 2 videos right now. So yes, thank you guys for watching, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace.